Looking for a way to enjoy music on the course? The best magnetic golf cart speakers make it easy to bring powerful, portable sound wherever you go. At ReviewSource, we've tested top options to keep your rounds more enjoyable. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Rokform G-ROK Waterproof Golf Speaker. The Rokform G-ROK waterproof golf speaker is a game changer for golfers who want music on the course without the hassle of complicated setup or fragile accessories. Built with a powerful magnetic mounting system, this speaker attaches instantly to your golf cart, ensuring you never have to worry about straps, clips, or stands. The magnet is impressively strong, and many golfers appreciate how it stays in place even during bumpy rides. Its durability is another major highlight. Thanks to its IPX7 waterproof and dustproof design, the G-ROK can handle sudden rain, splashes, or dust on windy days without skipping a beat. Combine that with its drop-resistant construction, and you've got a speaker that truly matches the rugged nature of outdoor sports. Sound quality is where the G-ROK shines. With dual 8-watt drivers, it produces clear, crisp audio that remains distortion-free even at higher volumes. Whether you're enjoying background music during a relaxed round or turning it up for a tournament vibe, the performance is consistent and enjoyable. The bass response is particularly impressive for a compact unit, giving songs more depth and presence on the open course. Battery life is another standout feature, offering up to 24 hours of playtime on a single charge. That translates to about 6 full rounds of golf at moderate volume, more than enough for even avid players. Number 2. Bluetooth Golf Player Waterproof Speaker. The Bluetooth Golf Player Waterproof Speaker is designed specifically for golfers who value both style and performance on the course. Known for producing premium golf accessories, Bluetooth delivers a speaker that balances rugged durability with impressive sound output. Built with magnetic mounting capabilities, it attaches firmly to your cart or other metal surfaces, ensuring it stays in place no matter how uneven the terrain. Its waterproof rating of IPX7 makes it ready for all-weather play, so sudden rain showers or morning dew won't interfere with your music. One of the most attractive features of the Bluetooth Golf Player speaker is its dual pairing capability. This allows you to link 2 units together for an even more immersive stereo sound experience, perfect for group outings or competitive games where atmosphere matters. Its outdoor mode enhances sound projection, making it ideal for open courses where wind or distance can sometimes drown out smaller speakers. Despite its small size, it delivers balanced sound with a satisfying amount of bass, ensuring your favorite playlists come through clearly across all genres.
Number 3. Precision Pro Golf Speaker Magnetic Bluetooth. The Precision Pro Golf Speaker is more than just a Bluetooth speaker. It's a multifunctional companion designed to elevate both your game and your on-course experience. Unlike standard speakers, this model integrates seamlessly with the Precision Pro app, offering audio tips and shot guidance while you play. For golfers seeking a mix of entertainment and game improvement, that combination is hard to beat. Compact and lightweight at just 1 pound, it's easy to carry around, and its built-in magnet or included carabiner allows flexible mounting options on your golf cart, bag, or other gear. Sound quality is clear and enjoyable, with a focus on crisp highs and mids, making it perfect for both music and voice-guided features. While its bass isn't as deep as some larger speakers, it performs consistently well across all volume levels. With up to 10 hours of battery life, it's designed to last through an entire day of golfing without interruptions. That makes it ideal for both casual rounds and longer competitive sessions. A fun and unique element is its customizable grill design. Golfers can switch out grills to match their style, adding a personal flair to their gear setup. This feature, combined with the compact size, makes it both functional and fashionable. Its durability is solid, though not as rugged as some larger outdoor-focused models. Still, it holds up well under normal golfing conditions. Number 4. Upside Golf Bluetooth Magnetic Speaker. The Upside Golf Bluetooth magnetic speaker is a powerhouse, built for golfers who want big sound, extreme durability, and long-range connectivity. With a robust 40-watt output, this speaker easily outperforms many competitors in sheer volume and richness of audio. Whether you're playing solo or with a group, its strong bass and dynamic range ensure that your music cuts through the open-air environment of the golf course. One of its standout features is the powerful magnetic mounting system. The speaker locks onto your cart with ease and remains stable even on rough paths, meaning you never have to worry about it bouncing off mid-round. With an incredible 120-foot Bluetooth range, you can keep your phone tucked away and still enjoy uninterrupted streaming. This extended range, coupled with the ability to pair with another stereo unit, makes it an excellent choice for those who want to create a more immersive atmosphere on the course. Durability is also a key selling point. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, it can withstand rain, splashes, and even brief immersion in water. It's also drop tested from 4 feet, ensuring it can handle the occasional knock or tumble. This rugged design makes it a reliable companion not only for golfing, but also for outdoor adventures like fishing, camping, and beach outings.
Number 5. TREBLAB HD77 Premium Bluetooth Speaker. The TREBLAB HD77 Premium Bluetooth speaker is a versatile, stylish option that performs just as well on the golf course as it does at the beach or backyard. While not marketed exclusively as a golf speaker, its magnetic mounting compatibility and rugged design make it an excellent fit for cart use. Delivering up to 30 watts of peak power, it produces bold, expansive sound with dual 48mm drivers and dual passive bass radiators. The result is rich, room-filling audio with punchy bass that stands out, even in open outdoor spaces. Battery life is another strength, with up to 20 hours of playtime on a single charge. That ensures golfers can easily enjoy multiple rounds without worrying about recharging mid-game. For those who want even more immersive sound, the TWS True Wireless Stereo feature allows you to pair 2 HD77 units together for stereo playback, making it a great option for group play or tournaments. Durability is well addressed with an IPX7 waterproof rating, meaning it can handle rain, splashes, and even brief submersion. The tough ABS and fabric body is also sandproof and rugged enough for outdoor adventures beyond golf, such as biking, camping, or poolside use. An added fun feature is its built-in RGB lighting, which adds a visual element to your music and makes it stand out in evening gatherings. Each of these best magnetic golf cart speakers brings its own mix of power, durability, and convenience to the course. Whether you value rugged waterproofing, booming sound, or golf-specific features, there's an option here to match your game. At ReviewSource, we've found these speakers keep golfers connected, energized, and entertained, making every round more enjoyable from the first tee to the last green.